Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tether USDT says WSJ is spreading false information about the financial situation. The company that supports the stablecoin said that the publication is trying to discredit the work of its team and that of the accounting firm BDO with false information. It assured the public that it is being honest with its user and will continue to share its financial certification. Although it admits delays regarding audit, the Wall Street Journal article states the Tether needs an audit akin to a corporate colonoscopy on the status of its reserve. Tether, the company behind the word is large stablecoin, has responded harshly to comments in an article published by the Wall Street Journal this week, in which the WSJ accused the company of not doing real audits on its financial and accounting situation. The Tether Holdings Ltd. team accused the WSJ of misinforming the public and discrediting its work in front of its users through a press release published on its blog BDO, a very reputable and independent top 5 audit firm, and is not a Tether accounting firm, as erroneously written by the WSJ. It further said that the Italian accounting firm will continue to have unrestricted access to any relevant information to perform their work. It added that Tether will continue to share its attention, despite continuous attempts by the media to disparage its reputation and that of top-ranking firms like BDO that are working with digital asset companies. The Discord article published on August 27 quotes from head of Internet Complaints of the Securities and Exchange Commission, John Red Stark, who stated that there needs an audit akin to a corporate colonoscopy that tells investors everything about what's in their reserve. Author of the article, Jen Eglesham and Fitchke G. Huang, questioned the fact that instead of a full audit, Tether, like other leading stablecoins, published a certificate showing a snapshot of its reserve and liabilities sought by its auditing firm. Tether defends itself by saying that the treasures backing its balance sheet are not unsafe assets. It mentioned what it is false that its business is unprofitable. As the publication suggests and points out that perhaps the WSJ has confused Tether with some of its competitors. The company, which has been promising on audit since 2017, according to the WSJ, asserts that Tether's disclosures have been the most honest and transparent in the market. Everyone knows that we have not had an audit and they know we are working toward one. Tether said that rivals have allowed mainstream consumers to believe they are safer because they have been audited, but, but no such audit has occurred. The statement also mentioned that any reference to a margin of failure existing in Tether business model assumes that the WSJ subscribed to the false short seller narrative, which suggests that short selling Tether is even remotely possible. For some time now, Tether has exposed a conspiracy against in its response to the WSJ. The company also referred to the hedge fund that is a cause of creating pressure to harm. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.